Hello, this is How to Stop and Jot by Stephanie Freund. Stop and Jot is a note-taking strategy that can help you keep track of sources of information. This strategy is used during the explore phase of a guided inquiry unit. It is one of the first steps toward creating an inquiry journal. Stop and Jot notes are a place to write down interesting ideas and questions while browsing through sources. You can type them in a document or write them in a journal. Too many detailed notes can leave you feeling overwhelmed. Information may vary from source to source. It can be difficult to sort through it all to find the facts. Remember, Stop and Jot is not for detailed notes. Only write your interesting ideas and questions. So what does Stop and Jot look like? Let's take a look at the format. Put the title of the source at the top of the page. Include any author's names as well. Put the page number from the source on the left. Interesting ideas and questions go on the right. Let's see this strategy in action. First, we will use a print source. This example is on The Hot Book by Dr. Mike Goldsmith and Miranda Smith. It is found on page 22, and the question is, what is the difference between global warming and climate change? Next, we'll take a look at an online source. Online sources are not the same as print ones, so pay attention to how the format changes. This entry is from natgeokids.com. Make sure you write the whole URL so you can access the website later. It is found under the heading, How Will Climate Change Affect Wildlife? And the interesting idea is that climate change affects wild animals too, not just people. It's that simple. Now it's your turn to try this strategy. Step 1. Choose 2 or more sources to browse. Make sure they are related to the broad topic of inquiry. Step 2. Skim or scan through these resources. Don't read deeply. Instead, skim the text and focus on paragraph headings, photo captions, charts, graphs, and other visuals. Step 3. Set aside a page in your journal for each source. Try to remember to put the date on each entry so you know when you wrote each note. This will help you stay organized later on in the unit. This brings us to the end of How to Stop and Jot. Good luck and happy inquiry!